Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick little tour of kind of my setup and what I've got going, and showcase my plants, because I know you guys have been wanting to see that. And I said I'd make this video months ago and just never did, but I figured why not do it now while I'm getting ready to move into the caravan that I've been doing up over the past few months, along with the help of others, and yeah, I figured before this setup is gone for good, and I've got a better one, I figured why not show it off now. It's probably the best and only time I really have to do it now, so let's do it. Straight up, I just want to say I apologize for the mess. I'm not really bothered on keeping things tidy at the moment because I'm not going to be here for much longer and all of this is getting taken out anyway. But I've got my clock, which I got here from my grad trip last year after I finished grade 12. I love this thing, it's so cool. I've got a little pocket watch here from when I did my 900 sub special. From that steam train. That's pretty cool. It's not meant to be there though. I just pressed a button. But yeah, and this is just a little fan underneath I use to keep my laptop cool in these hotter months of the year, because otherwise it overheats and it's impossible to do anything. I've got a little bush life thing right here. I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, just some other little bits once again from my grad trip when I fed dolphins. I've got this coin. I also got that when I got this. And this from the Q1 when I went there in one of my camping videos. So once again, very cool. Oh, and this candle is from my graduation. Oh yeah, I just wanted to showcase it. And up here is where I keep my hat, which is pretty cool as well. Just goes up there. Yeah, it's a very little setup. And under here, I just have bits and bobs, mostly notepads. My old microphone that I used for the 800 sub special, that was like really ear-raped audio. Yeah, that's mostly what's under there. In here are important things that I will not be showing, because I don't want you guys getting all my information and details. But, you know, just basic cards and paperwork, those kind of things that you guys don't need to see, because it's private. Is all in that drawer there. Normally I'd have this plant up here too, which Loki loves to feast on, which is one of the cats if you're wondering. But yeah, I took it off. It was just taking up too much space. Where my mouse was, it was making things just difficult, and I figured I'll just take it down, but I'm hoping to reset it up when I move into the caravan, because I'm going to have a much bigger desk space, which I desperately need, because we're going to zoom out now, and I'm going to show you just how small this thing really is. Hey Clover, you loving life? He's loving life. As I said, quite small. Anyways, I'm not going to show the floor of the room, because it is atrocious at the moment, and you guys really don't want to see that. I don't want you guys to see that. It's terrible. But I'll just show you kind of like a little bit around the room, show you its gloriness of mess, because I'm a hoarder and like keeping things to remember. So yeah, when you run out of room, that's not a good thing, but good thing I'm getting more room now, so I can actually properly display it all instead of clumping it all together. So here we've got like the end of the bed. You know, I've got some stuff from a game I like to play called Ghost of Tsushima. It's my light, my fan. I've had those since I was very, very young. I forget they're there mostly. Then we're gonna come around here. This is my shelves of stuff. It's got a lot of stuff. Then we're gonna come around and we've got a TV with more stuff. You guessed it. Look at all that stuff. That's all I'm really gonna show. One thing I will miss going into the caravan is the summer nights listening to this fan on. It's just something about it that I'm gonna miss, you know? But everything else is gonna be a bonus. I need more room. I'll let you guys listen to the fan as well, so I can, I guess have that sound to look back on. Many hot summer days and nights spent listening to that thing, and these are my last ones I am currently experiencing. But oh boy, can I not wait for more room. Figured I'd take you guys closer to this shelf. I love this. It's so cool. And look at this. I love it. Look what we got here. There's so much cool stuff. But But yeah, what I wanted to show, right, was, don't mind my Xbox, it's ancient. It's my microphone, I just store it in here. But what I wanted to show is this bowl right here. That's where I keep all my hat badges, and this is the bowl from Beachside Life. If you guys were wondering what I did with that, I just keep it on the shelf. And it stores all the hat badges I've collected that aren't currently on my hat. Also, apparently I have $5 down there. I did not know that. Why? I have no idea why that's there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm willing to show of the room, because everything else is atrocious and in process of getting cleaned out. But yeah, this is kind of the general setup I've been using over the past year, and I can't wait for something bigger. Anyways, on to showing you the plants I've got, because you guys wanted to see the plants I own. So, you know, why not? A few months late maybe, but hey, better late than never. So I've got this one here. I forget his actual name, but they're all part of the same species of plant, which was crotons. Then this one here is a completely different one that I got for free from a market, which was pretty cool. These ones aren't mine. This one here then as well, this isn't part of the crotons. Neither was that one. Sorry. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It has these nice purple flowering bits, but I need to get some more of these to help it hold up, because it's all just going to the side. Then I've got this one here. I forget the names of them all, I'm sorry. That's growing in there. That's not my one. It's just kind of merged in. I need to take it out, put it in a different pot. We've got this guy right here. This is another croton. Once again, sorry, can't remember the name, but it's also leaning, so we need to get this guy up a bit more. And yeah, I guess I'll be showing all of these plants off in future videos once the caravan's fully moved into. You'll see more of these guys. I'm gonna see how long I can keep them alive for. I like this one. Coming over here, we've got this one here is actually, because I do a horticulture course, is a snipping off the previous plant I just showed you that ended up growing in here. I never ever actually expected it to live, but it's been months now and it's not dead, so it reproduced, I guess. Then we've got this one right here. Very nice. This one has all nice white flowers when it flowers in spring. Very nice. And that one's not mine. Then we've got this one. This is lavender, I do know. So that's pretty fun. We've got that going there. Another croton right here. I think it's called Picasso's Paintbrush. I think that, yeah, I'm pretty sure that I got that one correct. This is the... Well, it's a croton, but once again, I can't remember the name. I love the croton plants. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Then we got this guy over here. Once again, I forget its name, but it reminds me of a Christmas tree, which is why I wanted it, and I've wanted one my entire life. So I'm glad I got it. Then we've got this one. This is the original one that started this whole plant craze we got going on, and the one that made me fall in love with crotons. This is the croton gold something, I think. I can't remember. I made a short on it a while back. I can't remember it, though. But yeah, this is the OG plant that started all of these plants existing. So yeah. This one's got a special place for me because it made me fall in love with these plants as a whole and made me collect all of them. I think I've got them all. So if I don't have all the croton species, I will be out for them. But yeah, it's a beautiful plant. I love it. And let's not forget our precious big bamboo. I think I've showed this one when it was like this tall in a Bush Life episode. But yeah, it's grown a bit since. Actually, no, this is the plant I took from the one over there. I think I actually took it from this one. But yeah, these two, also crotons. I like crotons. You sleeping, Loki? You're Loki. And for those creeks and camping fans that watch my camping channel, and if you haven't, by the way, go check it out, you'll know this is Shrek that I take on my camping trips, and this is where Bambi the Traveling Bamboo lived and died, unfortunately. But hey, we got Shrek here. Good old Shrek. Anyways, this is the caravan I'm moving into. I figured, you know, it's been a while, why not give you guys a little sneak peek, because it is currently in a livable state, and I will have a video up soon, next month. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of doing a little documentation of the stages it went through. Let's give you a little sneak peek now into where my new headquarters is going. Now, I'm not going to show too much. You're going to have to wait for the full renovation video for that. But I'll show you my new quarters. Much bigger desk space. all of this I can just have for the laptop alone, and then I have all this other room to work with. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great compared with the coziness of the little fireplace. It is only a fake one, but that's besides the point. It still looks cozy. It just looks like such a cozy little spot, and I can't wait to set up here and have so much room. Up above, I've got all these storage spaces I can utilize. I'll be able to put my microphone in here and all my headphone stuff without having to walk halfway across a room to get to it. It's gonna be great. It really is. I can't wait. And this will be my new backdrop. When I do, I'll have this behind me instead of what you guys are used to, which will be different. But I'm excited for it. And I can't wait to have all of the space to work with. It's going to be great. But that is going to be the end of this little tour video. And hey, I wasn't planning on this little sneak peek, but I figured, why not? I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I didn't do this sooner. I know I said I would, and I got busy, forgot, and never did it. And I'll be dead honest with you guys. But hey, we did it. I guess you can count this as part of 1,000 subscribers special, because I got that today. So that's pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for that. By the way, I will have a little something up soon about that, because there's going to be more than just a subscriber celebration video, because 1K is a bit of a big deal. So we're going to be celebrating with a bit more stuff. And I'll have a kind of like roadmap out soon of what's coming over the next few months to celebrate, because I'm not going to be actually filming the 1000 celebration till the end of the year in December, and it probably won't come out till next year, maybe? I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'll touch all that in a separate update video, and for now, I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I'll do another big tour on the channel, fully showcasing everything when I'm fully moved into the caravan. But until then, see yas, and stay tuned for that renovation video.